Let it air dry naturally, and when it's damaged, it looks like a big frizzy mess.
Yep, definitely. Yeah, I get it.
So I want to. In fact, I just had some of it cut off. I had it longer, but it was just so damaged I couldn't wear it that long anymore.
Subscribe now. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking this grown out highlight and adding a silvery touch to it. We'll be doing 2 sessions, so stick around for both. In the first session, I'm going to be melting in some silvery tones with Gaitang's My Identity 6SS, 8SS, and 10SS. I'm color melting those down to create a really soft effect and to help blend in these old highlights. This client's looking for a bit more of a natural feel to her hair, so in session 1 she just wanted to do something very subtle. In the second session, we're framing up her face in silver pieces and placing some additional silver pieces throughout to start adding in more of her natural tone. She still has a lot of dark naturally, so I'm really focusing these lighter pieces higher up. Let's get started.
First of all, you nailed the color. I was really happy.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
I'm glad you're happy.
It did yellow a little bit.
Yes.
But I guess you told me that was going to happen. So I want to do kind of the same thing.
Okay.
But is it possible to put in like some silvery highlights too?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
So how much of a silvery highlight look do you want? Do you have something in mind, or do you just want to kind of see some scattered around?
Scattered around. Let's ease into it.
Okay.
Like, we can always do more next time.
Totally, yes.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. You bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
one you told me, the raising buffaloes.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. So, you know, the reason there is because they're like so perfect.
Yes, they're like grossly perfect.
Grossly perfect, right. And the kids are perfect.
Yes.
The house is perfect. Yeah.
They're like such a cute little family.
Oh my gosh.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Do you park down the middle, or do you have a side part, or I can't remember?
So it kind of goes this way, but I tried to train it to go this way to get a little volume. Oh, I like it.
Hey. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah,
It all seems to flow very well.
Yep. Pretty. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.